Welcome to CAD tutorials. Today in this tutorial we are going to learn the use of the offset command. With the help of offset command we can draw the concentric circles and we can draw the concentric rectangles, and also we can place the same entities with some equal distances, just like a copy and paste command in the Project CAD. In other means we can use it as array command also. So let us see what offset command do in this Project CAD. For that one, I am initially drawing a rectangle with random dimensions like this, and now I am taking the offset command. The shortcut key for the offset command is O, single letter O. Now I am typing O. You can observe it in the command bar also. O, press enter. Now see, in the command bar it is asking for the distance, so initially we have to give the Project CAD with which distance the entity should be offset. So for that one I am giving a 10 mm of distance and I am pressing enter. Now select the entity. If you click inside the rectangle, a similar rectangle with smaller dimensions will be placed inside the rectangle. If you click outside of the rectangle, a bigger rectangle will be placed out of this rectangle. So let us see by clicking inside and outside simultaneously. Now I am clicking inside. You can see a smaller rectangle with a distance of 10 mm from the outer rectangle is placed inside. Again, now I am selecting the same entity and I am clicking outside of the rectangle, so that a bigger rectangle is placed out of the original rectangle at a distance of 10 mm. Now in the same way, let us do the offset command for the circles also. Now I am drawing a circle with random dimension like this. Now again take offset command. See here, there is a 10 mm default dimension is already feeded into the Project CAD, so there is no need to give another distance again. If you want, you can give another dimension, like let us take 5 mm again, 5 mm this time. I am giving 5 and pressing enter. Now select the circle. If you click inside of the circle, a smaller circle at a distance of 5 mm is placed inside of the circle, and if you press outside of the original circle, again a bigger circle with a distance of 5 mm will be placed outside of the circle. So this is for the concentric circle and concentric rectangle. Now let us see how the offset command be useful in the case of straight lines. For that one I am taking line and I am here engaging the ortho mode and I am drawing a straight line like this with random dimension. Press escape. Now again take the offset command by typing O and pressing enter. Here I am taking the offset dimension as offset distance as say 8 mm and press enter. Now select the entity. If you click right side of this entity, the same entity with a distance of 8 mm will be placed on the right side. Let us see that. I am clicking on the right side. See here, another entity is placed and the distance between those two entities is 8 mm. And if you click the entity and if you click on the left side of the entity, the same entity with a distance of 8 mm will be placed on the left side of the entity. Let us see that one. I am clicking on the left side and see the same entity is placed at the left side of the original entity. You can do the same thing with other things also, other entities also in the same way like this. So this is much similar to the array command, placing of same entities with the desired dimension. We can do this one in the array command also. So for today, this is all we discussed about the offset command, and thank you very much for watching this tutorial.